So next of the telluric rectification product is called VVH. This is a product which is called Vastu World Vortex Harmonizer. The process is same which we have seen in Geomarma, but this is limited to an inside of an environment. It has a connecting wire here which can be connected to the earthing socket or to the wall where we have earth connection, and then it brings in all the negativities from below and then make it 17 rounds and go up and throws it out. Vortex Harmonizer is a system or is a solution for geopathic aggression inside an environment or inside a bedroom or inside a apartment or a bungalow, and this covers, or this solution is having a domain of somewhere around 3 to 4,000 square feet. So for a single household, a single family home, one of these product is capable enough to remove all the geopathic stresses and throwing it to the mother earth or making it earthed. This product is also useful whenever you have loose or weak earth connection. Apartments which are above 12-story high ultimately loses earth connectivity. They reach to the cosmic level higher or more towards cosmic, but they have less telluric energies. VVH also helps in getting them earth. So what happens in that scenario, the positivity of earth energies can be brought in and enhanced by 17 rounds and thrown into the space or the environment of the house. So both the functions are different, the process is same, but a consultant need to understand for what he is installing this.